in my personal and professional also. I am not accepting anything which is not convincing to me. And also it is forced on me. So it is happening in my personal also. I get irritated whenever I had some problems in my life, and I wish to, because I got married in 1990, I had 27 years of experience. Marriage experience. So, and I am seeing the things from this one. After attending this program, I become calm, my anger has reduced, and I become systematic and structured. I am doing my walking, training, meditation, pranayama, and seeing the life perception has changed. Now I am seeing from my wife angle, and my wife is happy now. And it happened in my personal life also. I just want to quote. So I am looking after my department independently, though, and I am working under Raghavan Joshi. Though we have a small misunderstanding, I was not talking to him last 1 year. After attending this program, I am calling
I went through the training. I used to get irritated very fast. If someone has to ask me to repeat few things 2-3 times, I'll get irritated. But after a few weeks back, as usual, every evening I'll talk with my mother, and I used to talk with her, and she asked me. Actually, we were discussing a lot of things, and then we came to a point where we were discussing about a new technology, which I was trying to make her understand. And I was making her understand, she couldn't understand. I made her understand once, twice, thrice, and fifth time she could understand. And then she suddenly told me, "Can I speak to my son? Please give the phone to my son." She couldn't believe that it was me. Then I said, "Mama, it's me only." So, because when I was getting irritated, the card itself used to come in front of me. That I should not get irritated, I should stay calm, and I should talk, I should reduce my anger and talk properly. This has helped me build relationship in a better way, not only with my mom but also with all other relatives. And apart from this also, I have started reducing expectations. As sir had told that you should reduce the expectation and do things selflessly. So there is an incident which happened with one of my close friends. He met with an accident in Bangalore. So I took a half day. He just called me and he just let me know that I met with a serious accident. So I just left. I took a half day and I went to him. I did all his documentation work and I paid for all his bills without expecting anything back from him. This has not only, it has made us much more closer. The relationship between us has also become like a brother. And I feel really happy and content, much more content now. So that's how I feel really transformed. Today you can see a transformed Abhishek in front of you. And not just on my behalf, I would like to thank Sir, MD Sir and management and HR department as well, and Sheshadri Sir and Ma'am. Thank you so much from all of us, and I think we'll all practice. Believe it or not, if we practice all of these cards and whatever he has told, if we practice it continuously, then I am sure this will surely lead to some success. And thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
But we cannot keep quiet. How to correct them without offending? Well, it's a great challenge. To earn is a man, to forgive is a divine, to forgive without offending is a shine. We were trained with golden card number 3, which says 9 ways to bring around people without giving offense.
The winner of high batch is Confident Precaution.
The last minute addition to this program basically. Initially I was a bit hesitant. How can I compete with the people of half of my age and 1/4 of my professional experience? But when I started going through the program, I was a bit more confident, and my confidence has increased in folds when I started interacting with the people, and especially with the golden cards. The communication has, I polished my communication, and one personal experience I need to share here, which has changed and transformed me as a person in the way I communicate with my teenage daughter. It was more of an advice I used to give to her. After golden card number 3, without offending her feelings, I started living in her own world, with this. With this, the personal gain is my mobile bill has come down to half, and we started interacting with each other like anything before. So I hope I can extend all this to my professional, personal and social life forever. Thank you very much for the opportunity given to me. Thank you very much.
In professional life, whenever there is a delay in work or a mistake from a contract laborer or operator, I used to scold them using 4 languages. Even they have complained about me to my senior authorities once. After training on human relations course, instead of scolding whenever there is a mistake, I started correcting them, and whenever there is a delay in work, I am encouraging them to finish the work earliest. And the people in my department are saying you have changed. And most importantly, Vijay and Venkatesh, these people are saying every day. And in my personal life, I used to call my home 4 to 5 days once. And my mom, she is an aged person. She used to repeat the same things 3 to 4 times. After 2 times, I used to get irritated. I used to shout at her, "Why you are repeating same things again and again?" I used to cut the call. After this training, now I call my home every 2 days, 2 days once, and I speak more with my mom than my dad, and she is happy. This is a transformation which is happened in me. Thank you.
The winner of K batch is talented Shankar K.
Decision making is a great skill. To decide on so many issues like whom to marry, which college to join, which business to start. And even in our office, we are paid to make decisions. To solve problems and overcome worry, we were trained with golden card number 4 and 5, which says 4 ways to analyze worry, 4 ways to overcome worry, and 6 ways to break the worry habit.
The winner of high batch is excellent Srinivasan T.
Before attending this MDP program, as we are in the maintenance department, we usually see all the equipments as our baby. So whenever there is a breakdown in any equipment or something, I used to just get triggered in my mind. Till I used to worry so much that till that equipment is not put into line, I never used to talk to anybody in a calm sense. So even when I reach home, even after my duty hours, even when I get a phone call from the office, my wife used to think whether to give the phone to me or not. So even when I receive a call that there is some issue in the plant, so after I speak in the phone, she never used to speak to me for an hour or half an hour, because I just used to blast her, and I did not have anything in my mind except about that the breakdown is got through. So after this, whenever I receive a call or whenever there is any issues in the plant, I have learned that how to convert the crisis into situations. So now I am able to manage things calmly, and I'm able to work effectively. Thank you.
ಬರೋದು ಕೂಡ ಸಹಜನೇ. ಸೊ ಆ ಮಷಿನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಈ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ನಾವು ಮಷಿನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ನಾವು ಚಂಚಲ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಷಿನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತಂದೇಳಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಷೀನು ಜಲ್ದಿನೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಗೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಹಾಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮುಂದಿನ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅನಲೈಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, 4 ways ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಬಗೆಹರಿಸಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೀಡರ್ ಇದ್ರು, ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಬಾ, ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದು. ನಾ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಸಡನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ತಂದಾಕಿರೋದು, 8,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ತಂದಾಕಿರೋ. ಬಟ್ ಕಟ್ಟಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇತ್ತು ತಂದಾಕಿರೋ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಒಂದು 10 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಟ್ಟಾಯಿತು. ಕೇಬಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಒಂದು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಕೇಬಲ್ ಫೋಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಹಂಗೆ ಇದು ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲೋ ನೋಡಿ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದೇಳಿ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಕೂಲಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಓಕೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1.5 ತಿಂಗಳಾಗಿದೆ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ, ಈ ಮನೇಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹಬ್ಬ ಬಂತು, ಮನೆ ಕ್ಲೀನಿಂಗು, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತೊಳೆಯೋದು, ಅವು ಇವು ಭಾಳ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡ್ಯಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನೀರಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮನೇಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಕ್ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತೊಳೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಸಡನ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತೊಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು ತೊಳಿತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಾಶಿ ಬಿಡೋದು ಅವನು ನಾನು ಹಿಂಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮವ್ರು ಸಡನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ಲು, ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಏನೋ ಬಂದು ನೀವು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತೊಳಕತ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಲು. ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಮಾಡೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ಈಗ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಸ್ಸಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಪಟ್ಟು, ಇದು ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ನಿಜಾನ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಜಾನ ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅವು ನಮಗೆ ಯಾಕಂತ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 200-205 kg ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೇಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತೊಳೆಗೆ ಇಂಟದೆ ಭಾಳ ಸುಲಭ, ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಈಜಿ ಮಾಡೋದಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಡಯಾಬಿಟಿಸು ಬರಲ್ಲ, BP ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಏನೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದು ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇದರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.